For those of us struggling with large pores on our face, rapidly aged face, dark spots, uneven skin tone, this recipe is for you. Even if you have damaged your face due to bleaching cream, this recipe or this face mask will help revive your face back to normal. So welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, thumb up, and then let's continue. So this is egg. You will need egg white, not the yolk. The egg white helps to tighten our skin, eliminate wrinkles, and revive our youthful skin. So it's very important in this formulation. This is a very simple and effective recipe, and it will not cost that much. If you're a chef, I know you can extract or remove this egg white safely without pouring the whole egg. I'm just trying to remove the egg white without the egg yolk, like avoiding the egg yolk. So I think we have gotten the quantity we need. There's no measurement for this, like it all depends on the quantity you want. You can use this on your face, on your hands, on your legs, anywhere that you know is exposed to sun and need repair. So our next ingredient is Nescafe. Nescafe is very, very important. Like it contains so many health skin benefits like anti-aging, whitening, lightening. It's very, very important. Like it's very good in this formulation. So like I said, no measurement. You can use any measurement you want. It all depends on the quantity you're making. So I guess I put 1.5 teaspoon of it. I'm making a very small batch. And then our next ingredient is sugar. Sugar is it will serve as an exfoliant in this because you are going to use this like a scrub, though the sugar granules will not stay long in this recipe, but then it's important and it will help with eliminating dead skin cells. So it's very important. Like just give this recipe a try. Like even if you have dark spots, like those stubborn dark spot that doesn't want to go away, trust me when I say this face mask will eliminate your dark spot in 1 week. So that is all for this formulation. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. We do DIY skincare products. We do skincare formulations, everything skincare. So apply it on, leave it to dry up, and then wash up. That's all. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next. Bye.